Yeah, let's continue it. In this session, as part of AWS RDS, we are going to discuss provisioning MySQL using AWS RDS. Okay, I logged in as my root user. So this is AWS Management Console. Navigate RDS, search RDS, okay, and click on Aurora and RDS. So this one is RDS homepage or dashboard. Left side, you can see databases. Click on databases. And you can see option called create a database. You can click on create a database. Right side top, you can find create database. Once you click on create a database, you can see different databases too. Database engines. You can see Aurora with MySQL compatible, Aurora with Postgres compatible, MySQL database, Postgres SQL, MariaDB, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, IBM DB2. So I want to create a MySQL database. Here I am creating Aurora MySQL compatible database too. You can select which database you want to create. I'm selecting Aurora MySQL compatible. Then here it is showing latest version of Aurora MySQL compatible. Then database cluster name, I'm giving Akkem Sreenivas -db. Then username, master username, admin. And next one, you want to create user password. So managed in AWS Secret Manager or self-managed. I'm selecting self-managed. Then enter password. You want to auto-generated password or you want to create password? I want to create. Then re-enter password. Okay. Then you can, remaining options are default options. And here you can see database size. It providing 8 virtual CPUs, 64 GB RAM. And multi-availability zone. If you want a multi-availability zone, you can select. Next one. Here, very, very important one, this one, public access. Select yes option. This is very important. Click on public access, yes. Then click on create a database. Yeah, it is creating database team. It may take a few seconds time. Let's wait a few seconds time. And once this creation is completed, then we are going to see how to connect this database. Yeah. Now you can see successfully create database. Okay. So database is successfully created. So clear, right? How to provision MySQL using AWS RDS.